Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, you know those days when you want a nice hot plate of freshly made fettuccine Alfredo? Well, you're about to be pleasantly surprised when you see it's just as easy as opening a jar of marinara sauce. Now let's get started. Want to start off by boiling a large pot of water. Make sure that it's nice and salty like the Mediterranean Sea. I'm using pappardelle pasta today. There's just something about these large flat noodles. When they get coated in all that creamy Alfredo sauce, it's just so luxurious. Cook the noodles to your liking, drain and place them to the side, and call everybody to the dinner table because this Alfredo sauce is the quickest recipe you will ever make. Add to a pan a half a cup of butter. I'm melting it down and adding a clove of chopped garlic. If you're really in a hurry, you can instead add a sprinkle of garlic powder. Cook it only for about a minute and make sure to work on a medium-low heat so these won't burn or brown too quickly. Go ahead thereafter and add a cup of cream, bring it to a gentle simmer, and finish this Alfredo sauce with some grated Parmesan cheese. Give it a mix until everything's nicely incorporated together and go ahead and add the noodles to the pan. Now I know there's some of you who are thinking the sauce is too much, it's just too rich. So if you like, feel free to add about a cup of chicken stock if you want to thin it out a bit. But this, you guys, is a real treat. This is a dinner that's served for a special occasion. Speaking of which, don't forget your glass of Chardonnay. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on my weekly quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.